Hi everyone, and welcome to Faith and Flour. If you're new, my name is Robin, and in today's video we're going to do some cooking and cleaning. I'm going to share with you guys a recipe that my family loves for vegetable fried rice. I also want to introduce you to my good friend Naomi on YouTube. Her channel is called Naomi's Kitchen, and she and I have been friends on YouTube pretty much since I started. She was one of my first supporters, and we've been supporting each other ever since. And I'm going to let her introduce herself to you now.
Hi Robin! Hi everyone! I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Thanks again, Robin, for letting me join you today, and thanks everyone for watching. And I look forward to seeing everyone at my channel very soon. Bye for now!
So I hope you guys will head over to Naomi's channel and watch her video after you watch this one. And if you do, make sure you say hello from me. And if you are new from Naomi's channel, I just want to say welcome, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to start by making brown rice in my Instant Pot, and it's just so easy to use this because you just need equal portions of rice and water. In this case, I use 1.5 cups of rice and 1.5 cups of water. To that, I add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir. I love using my pressure cooker to make rice because it comes out perfect every time, and I don't even have to think about it. But if you don't have one, you can certainly prepare it the traditional way. Then secure the lid on the Instant Pot, making sure that the pressure valve is set to sealing, and you can either use your rice setting or your pressure setting for 10 minutes. While the rice is cooking, I'll prepare the vegetables, and today I'm going to put in zucchini, bok choy, green onions, and carrots. And you can vary this recipe with whatever vegetables you have on hand or whatever your family likes. After the vegetables are prepared, I will scramble 3 eggs. With the heat set on high, I will add some toasted sesame seed oil to a large frying pan or wok. When the oil is hot, I will scramble the egg and then put them on a plate and set them aside. Place the pan back on the high heat, add some more toasted sesame seed oil, and then add the zucchini, the carrots, and the white parts of the green onion. Continue to stir for 2 or 3 minutes, and then you can add in the bok choy and some chopped garlic. Continue to toss and stir the vegetables over high heat for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then add the rice and the green parts of the onions. Continue to cook and stir until the rice is completely combined with the vegetables. Now season to taste with soy sauce, and we like to use these Coconut Aminos because my son cannot have soy, and this is a great substitute. Coconut Aminos does not have as much sodium as soy sauce, so you may want to add some additional salt to the recipe. Now add the egg and give everything a good stir. My family loves this dish, and in place of the zucchini, you could use something else like broccoli, and I know your family will love it. It's the perfect recipe to load your family up with vegetables and to use up anything that you need to from your refrigerator. After we have enjoyed our dinner, it's time to clean up the kitchen, and we have a little bit of leftover fried rice, so I'm just going to put that in a dish in the refrigerator for lunch tomorrow. Before I can clean up the dinner dishes, I need to unload the clean dishes from the dishwasher. If you guys are new to my channel, I'd like to introduce to you our puppy Austin, and he loves to run around while I am cleaning up in the kitchen. He's pretty excited because this is the time that my husband usually takes him for a walk, so you'll see him coming in and out of frame all throughout my videos. After putting everything that I can in the dishwasher, there's usually a lot of things that I like to wash by hand, and that's either because I feel like they wouldn't be safe in the dishwasher, or I know I'm going to want to use them before I run the dishwasher next time. After the dishes are finished, I will put away the Instant Pot and do some general tidying up and cleaning in the kitchen. I'm going to clean the countertop with a microfiber cloth and my favorite Caldrea countertop spray in the Tangelo Palm Frond scent, which is my favorite and puts me in such a good mood. To clean off any splatters that occurred onto the stovetop, I'm just using my damp Norwex microfiber cloth. One of the things I like to do to end my cleaning in the kitchen for the evening is to clean my sink, and my favorite product for that is the Mrs. Meyer's Baking Soda Cream Cleanser. I just love coming into the kitchen in the morning to have everything clean and tidy and ready to start the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some cooking and cleaning motivation. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure that you activate the bell icon so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video and you won't miss out on anything. And remember, it's totally free to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great week, and I will see you in the next one.